about the 200 crunch challenge. So I saw this on YouTube a couple of days back and I decided I wanted to do it for myself, just to create some kind of discipline for me and just to have like an extra thing on top of my daily workouts to help like fasten my weight loss, flat tummy, bikini body process. So I thought this would be an interesting one. So this is what my before picture looks like. I took it after I left the gym, and I'll show you the after picture after the 7 days. I started this challenge on Monday and ended it on a Sunday because I like to work within like the actual days. I can't start it in the middle of the week. I just want to do like a whole proper week kind of thing. So I started on Monday, and yeah, these are the highlights of the week. So it's day number 1 of the 200 crunches challenge, and I'm not going to show you all the 200. I'm just going to do a couple and then see you tomorrow. And I'll do that every day because it will get boring if I show you like all the 200 crunches. So I'm just going to do a couple now and then I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, let's go. Also, I want you to note that sometimes I was just working from home and I did not do the crunches all at once, so I just would do them in whatever I'm dressed, so don't judge. What's up guys, welcome back. 200 crunch challenge, day number 2. I had such a lazy day. It's 4 already and I've just come out of the gym. That's how you know I had a lazy day. I didn't work out in the morning. And I don't know what you guys do for lazy days. Please, if you have some tips, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you need some tips, please, I'll leave a link to my support group, my Facebook support group, where we can support each other and give each other advice, and it's totally free. So yeah, anyway, let's get on with the 200 crunches for today. And yeah, so another thing I haven't mentioned is like there are so many different kind of crunches. So I'm going to do my favorite bicycle crunches. And yeah, not all the way. I'm just going to do maybe 50 bicycle crunches and then regular crunches and then reverse crunches, like that. I'm going to mix it all up. So let me do bicycle crunches that I like. Okay guys, I'm done with 10%. Those are 20. And I'll see you guys tomorrow to continue with maybe a different kind of crunches. Alright, bye guys. What's up guys, I'm back. 200 crunches challenge, day number 3. And today I'm going to start with doing crunches with one leg up. Hey guys, day 4, and do not judge me. I'm wearing the same clothes, but I work from home and my clothes don't get dirty, so I don't want to spoil them and waste energy. That being said, so I just wanted to tell you before I go into the crunches, I wanted to tell you guys one tip. Every time you do stomach workouts, make sure to suck your stomach in, because when you do that, the impact of the workout, like, it's better, like it works better if you hold your tummy in. If you tuck it in your stomach, it's going to create abs going in, like, but otherwise you get the kind of abs that your stomach is a bit out but you have like some packs on top, you know. And that, well, if that's the kind of thing you're into, then you shouldn't mind. But for me, I want mine to be flat, so I suck in my stomach. What's up guys, so it's day 5, 2 more days to go. Anyway, so I don't have any tips today. I'm just going to do 200 crunches. As usual, I'm going to do 10% of it, and then I'll come back tomorrow, do the same, and then the next day, and then after that I will show you guys the before and after. Although the results are really good right now, I'm actually happy with myself. Anyway, talking too much, let me go to the crunches, not squats, sorry. All right, 200. I'm going to do my favorite. I love them. Alright guys, see you tomorrow. 10% done. Why am I so tired today, guys? So guys, finally I've come to the end of the challenge, and I must say I really did love this challenge, and I'm going to continue with it. Not exactly 200, but I'm just going to be leaving my mat over there so that every time I look at it, I do a few crunches or whatever exercise aside from my normal workout, because it keeps me like accountable during the day, and I think it's really nice. Also, another tip another tip for you guys, really get yourself a mat, get yourself a yoga mat, because if you have it, you don't even have to like carry it everywhere you go. Just leave it in a place that you normally are, like you hang out, let's say you hang out watching Netflix, just put it right there. Every time you go to pee, every time you go get a snack, every time an ad comes on, every time an episode finishes, do some crunches. And if you don't have a yoga mat, guys, I'm going to leave a link in the description right below. You can get yourself a very cheap yoga mat on Amazon. Even if you don't get that kind, there is a bunch of mats you can choose from. So go get yourself a mat. Actually didn't want to make like a long outro, so I wanted to show you the after. So this is what If you like this video, guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more weight loss video, more challenges, more recipe videos, more, if you want more motivation on what to eat while in your weight loss journey, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell right next to it to be notified the next time I upload a new video. Bye guys.